Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello young researchers and honorable judges. I'm Rahma Almira and my partner
Muhammad Ahal.
We are from INSAN CENDEKIA, KOTA PALU.
On this occasion, we will explain the result of our research in the Indonesian Science Project Olympiad 2025.
Nutrition during pregnancy is a very important component. However, there are cases of pregnancy nutrition problems that are still being discussed in Indonesia, namely cases of chronic energy deficiency or CHD.
In addition to pregnancy, cases of CHD can also affect breastfeeding mothers, where there is a decrease in oxytocin and prolactin hormones level that play a role in the production of breast milk, so that breast milk become less and less quality. Therefore, additional intake is needed for breastfeeding mothers to produce sufficient and quality breast milk to support the growth and development of the baby.
Based on this background, we innovate to produce supplementary feeding for pregnant and breastfeeding mothers by offering a solution, batch puff, banggai cassava and cumin puff as a low-calorie instant ASI booster alternative to reduce the prevalence of chronic energy deficiency in pregnant and breastfeeding mothers. So, the purpose of this research, first, to determine the substitution of banggai cassava flour with the addition of black cumin extract can be used as an ingredient in making breast milk booster puff. Second, to find out the right formulation of banggai cassava flour and black cumin extract that can contribute to reduce the prevalence of chronic energy deficiency in the community, especially pregnant and lactating women in Indonesia. Benefit of this study, first, to study the potential of banggai cassava flour and black cumin extract as a substitution for making breast milk booster puff. Second, to strive for food diversification by substituting wheat flour using banggai cassava flour and black cumin extract into healthy snack for pregnant and lactating women. In this study, we use quantitative research method. This type of research is experimental using completely randomized design with 3 treatment and 1 repetition. In this study, there were 3 types of treatment between banggai cassava and cumin extract, namely 80% to 20%, 75% to 25%, and 70% to 30%.
The working procedure of this research. First, sample preparation. The initial samples taken were banggai cassava as raw material for making banggai cassava flours and brown rice, which will be processed into brown rice flour. Banggai cassava and brown rice are obtained from farmers in the neighborhood. These 2 staples will be further processed into snack product in the farmers of batch proof. The second step is to make banggai cassava flours and brown rice flour. Banggai cassava is peeled and sliced thinly, then dried in the sun for 2-3 days or until dry. Then mixed using a dry blender, sieve with 100 mesh sieve to produce fine flours. Dried brown rice is pulverized, use a blender, and then sieve using an 80 mesh sieve to produce fine flour. Third, preparation of black cumin extract. Dry black cumin seed as much as 300 grams were mixed using a grinder or grinding machine, then soaked using 86% of ethanol solvent as much as 100 ml. The ratio used is 300 grams of black cumin to 100 ml of 96% ethanol solvent. After soaking, black cumin seeds are shaken for 2-3 hours, then allowed to stand for 24 hours. Then, the sample is filtered using a filter, where the filtrate is rotavirate in it 96% of ethanol solvent is vacuumed and distilled, so that it becomes liquid. The liquid is then collected when the 96% of ethanol solvent has finished evaporation. A thick extract of black cumin seed is obtained.
And finally, making batch puff. Put banggai cassava flour with black cumin extract into a container. Then stir using a mixer at low speed until homogeneous. Next, add 10 grams of brown rice flour, 5 drops of stevia sugar, 10 grams of oat flour, and 35 grams of vegan butter into the food processor gradually. Then, mix until the butter pieces sink. Ice water is added to the dough to taste, then mix the dough again for about 5 to 10 seconds. The dough is transferred into a container, then mix the dough by hand until smooth. The dough is taken out and placed on a floor table, then roll out the dough using a rolling pin with 4 repetitions. The dough is cut and molded using batch proof mold, then sprinkle almond on the dough, then bake using an electric oven at 180 Celsius for 20 minutes.
Based on the research that has been conducted, we obtained the following results. First, batch proof production. Batch proof is made from banggai cassava flour, black cumin extract, and additional ingredients such as brown rice flour, cocoa powder, stevia sugar, wheat flour, and vegan oil. Banggai cassava functions as a source of energy, while black cumin provides antioxidant and antimicrobial benefits. Second, carbohydrate content analysis, the 80 to 20 formulation, banggai cassava to black cumin, has the highest carbohydrate content, 64.81%, followed by 70 to 30, 61 to 30, and the 75 to 25, 60 to 73. The higher of the proportion of cassava has the higher the carbohydrate content, which is important as a source of energy for breastfeeding mothers. Third, fat content analysis. The highest fat content is found in the 80 to 20 formulation, 9.85%, while 70 to 30 has the lowest content, 9.45%. Essential fats from the black cumin contribute to the health benefits for breastfeeding mothers. Fourth, water content analysis. The 70 to 30 formulation has the highest water content, 19.35%, while 80 to 20 has the lowest, 14.35%. Lower water content can increase the shelf life of the product. Fifth, S content analysis. The 80 to 20 formula has the highest S content, 1.91%, reflect the higher mineral content, which is beneficial for breastfeeding mothers. 6. Organoleptic test. The ANOVA test result showed no significant difference in color, texture, taste, aroma, and acceptability between the formulation, but bath-proof was still acceptable as a functional product. Okay, so now we on the conclusion. Conclusion, the 80 to 20 formulation has the highest carbohydrate and mineral content with lower water content, making the best choice for low-calorie breast milk supplement product. But POOF has the potential to be further developed in supporting the health of breastfeeding mothers. Finally, we are in the end of this presentation. That's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.